Which coin is best to buy in 2025? The cryptocurrency market is evolving rapidly, and 2025 is expected to be a pivotal year for blockchain innovation. With Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the pack, many investors are now turning to altcoins for higher growth potential. However, Solana SOL, Polygon MATIC, and Avalanche AVAX. These projects have shown strong fundamentals, institutional interest, and real-world use cases that position them for long-term success. Solana SOL, the high-speed blockchain leader in the era of cryptocurrency, where countless projects compete for dominance. Solana SOL stands out as one of the most efficient and scalable blockchains. Unlike many altcoins that struggle with slow transaction speeds and high fees, Solana's innovative proof of history PoH consensus mechanism enables lightning fast processing, handling thousands of transactions per second at a fraction of the cost of Ethereum. This efficiency has made Solana a favorite among developers, traders, and institutional investors alike. Why Solana? Speed and scalability. Solana's architecture eliminates bottlenecks, making it ideal for DeFi, NFTs, and high-frequency trading. Growing ecosystem. From decentralized exchanges DEX like Radium to NFT platforms like Magic Eden, Solana's ecosystem is expanding rapidly. Institutional interest. Major players like Visa have integrated Solana for stablecoin transactions, signaling real-world utility. Expert backing. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, has publicly praised Solana's potential, while Roel Pal of Real Vision sees it as a top contender in the next-gen blockchain race. With upgrades like FireDancer, a new validator client set to boost performance further, Solana is well positioned for a breakout 2025. Polygon MATIC, Ethereum's powerhouse scaling solution in the fast-evolving crypto landscape, where Ethereum's scalability challenges persist. Polygon MATIC has emerged as the Layer 2 solution, seamlessly bridging efficiency and decentralization. While many blockchains compete to solve Ethereum's high gas fees and network congestion, Polygon's zk-EVM technology stands out by offering near-instant transactions at a fraction of the cost without compromising security. Its deep integration with Ethereum's ecosystem makes it a preferred choice for developers and enterprises alike, ensuring long-term relevance in 2025 and beyond. Why Polygon? Ethereum's best ally. As Ethereum evolves, Polygon's zk rollups and modular blockchain approach ensure it remains the top scaling partner. Mass adoption. Major brands like Starbucks, Nike, and Reddit use Polygon for NFT and loyalty programs, proving real-world utility. Polygon 2.0 Vision. The upcoming upgrade unifies all Polygon chains under a zero-knowledge ZK framework, boosting interoperability and scalability. Industry confidence. Billionaire investor Mark Cuban has repeatedly backed Polygon, calling it critical infrastructure for Web3. Meanwhile, Coinbase's research team highlights Polygon's dominance in Ethereum's scaling race, citing its thriving developer community. With institutional adoption accelerating and upgrades on the horizon, Polygon isn't just surviving, it's shaping the future of blockchain. Avalanche AVAX, the institutional-grade blockchain platform in today's competitive crypto environment, where speed, security, and scalability are paramount. Avalanche AVAX has distinguished itself as a blockchain built for institutional adoption. What sets Avalanche apart is its revolutionary consensus protocol that delivers sub-second transaction finality, a critical feature for financial applications that no other major blockchain can match. While many platforms struggle with the blockchain trilemma, Avalanche's unique three-chain architecture elegantly balances decentralization, security, and scalability, making it the perfect foundation for the next generation of enterprise blockchain solutions. Why Avalanche stands out? Blazing fast transactions. Avalanche's consensus mechanism enables near-instant finality, outperforming even Solana in certain benchmarks. Institutional adoption. Major players like JPMorgan and Deloitte have already chosen Avalanche for pilot programs and ASIC Tokenization projects customizable blockchains. The platform's subnet functionality allows organizations to create tailored blockchain solutions for specific needs, EVM compatibility. Full compatibility with Ethereum means easy migration for developers and existing dApps industry validation. Anthony Pompliano has called Avalanche one of the most underrated platforms in crypto, while Messari's research shows Avalanche's seat chain as one of the fastest-growing smart contract platforms. The recent partnership with Amazon Web Services (AWS) provides Avalanche with enterprise-grade infrastructure support, further cementing its position as the blockchain of choice for institutional applications. Looking ahead to 2025, with its recent upgrades to the Evergreen subnets for institutional use and continuous improvements to its core protocol, Avalanche is uniquely positioned to capture the growing demand for enterprise blockchain solutions. As traditional finance continues to embrace tokenization, Avalanche's speed, flexibility, and institutional-friendly features make it a top contender for substantial growth in the coming year. The rising star Chainlink link the backbone of Web3's data economy. While blockchains need speed and scalability, they ultimately require something more fundamental: real-world data. This is where Chainlink Link emerges as the unsung hero of the crypto space, the critical infrastructure enabling smart contracts to securely interact with external data feeds, API, and traditional payment systems. Why Chainlink is essential for 2025. The Oracle problem solver. Chainlink dominates 60% of the Oracle market, providing tamper-proof data to DeFi protocols worth billions. Cross-chain interoperability. With C-SIP cross-chain interoperability protocol, Chainlink is becoming the TCP/IP of blockchain communication. Enterprise adoption. Swift, DTCC, and ANZ Bank are all experimenting with Chainlink for institutional blockchain solutions. Staking v0. 2. Upgrade. The new security model makes the network more robust against potential attacks. Industry leaders recognize its value. Sergey Nazarov, co-founder, envisions Chainlink as the decentralized AWS for smart contracts. Vitalik Buterin has acknowledged that oracles are crucial for Ethereum's future. ARK Invest's research highlights Chainlink as fundamental infrastructure in their blockchain models. 2025 growth catalysts. Tokenization of real-world assets. RWA. As trillions move on-chain, Chainlink's proof of reserve and data feeds will be indispensable. DeFi 2.0. More sophisticated derivatives and insurance products will require advanced Oracle solutions. Institutional adoption. Banks using Chainlink for repo transactions and other traditional finance applications. Unlike speculative assets, Chainlink's value proposition grows as the entire crypto ecosystem expands. It's not just another altcoin, it's the plumbing that makes the entire decentralized economy function. For investors looking beyond the hype cycles, Link represents one of the most fundamental bets on blockchain's future utility. The dark horse contender. Fetch. AI meets blockchain in 2025 as we stand at the precipice of the AI revolution. One altcoin is uniquely positioned at the convergence of artificial intelligence and decentralized networks. Fetch. AI Fet. While most blockchain projects focus solely on financial applications, Fetch. AI is building the infrastructure for autonomous machine economies, creating what could become the nervous system of Web3. Why Fetch? AI could dominate in 2025. The AIX blockchain megatrend, combining machine learning with decentralized ledger technology, creating self-executing digital twins. For businesses and individuals positioned to capitalize on both the AI boom and crypto adoption, real-world use cases taking shape. DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure, networks applications optimizing logistics and supply chains through autonomous agents, energy grid management solutions. Being tested with major utilities, technical breakthroughs, recent integration with Cosmos IBC for cross-chain interoperability, development of multi-agent systems for complex problem-solving, novel consensus mechanism combining POS with machine learning capabilities, industry validation. Microsoft's CTO has praised Fetch. His approach to decentralized AI. Bosch has partnered with Fetch for EOT and Smart City Solutions. The project recently received funding from the UK government for AI Research 2025 growth potential. Mainstream AI adoption. As businesses seek decentralized AI solutions to avoid vendor lock-in with big tech EOT explosion. With 30B plus connected devices expected by 2025, needing coordination, token utility expansion. FED tokens' role in network operations and agent services competitive advantage. Unlike generic AI tokens, Fetch offers working products already deployed with enterprise partners, a multi-year head start in agent-based economics, a robust developer ecosystem building on their platform, risk factors to consider. Competition from centralized AI providers, regulatory uncertainty around AI applications adoption, timeline may extend beyond 2025 for investors willing to look beyond the usual suspects. Fetch AI represents one of the most innovative convergence plays in crypto, a project that could define how AI and blockchain interact in the coming decade. As we move toward 2025, FET deserves serious consideration as a high-potential altcoin with substantial upside if its vision materializes.